hard right here. How much these is?
Them right there, those are $350.
350. Oh God. Why they cost so much, my boy?
Man, it's just the cost of the shoe. The cost of the shoe like $200, $220, something like that. And then on top of that, you know, I threw my little pizzazz and all that kind of stuff on there. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, really, it's not that much over. You know what I'm saying? Because if you get a custom deal by me, you know, it's gonna be a lot more, bro.
Okay. Alright. Okay, then that cool. I ain't. Nah, my bank account gonna say, uh-oh, you know that? Nah, I'm straight. Uh-oh. Nah, I'm straight. Okay, what about these here? These crack.
Those are running you about like $220 in your size, everything.
How much these is?
Like $220 in your size, everything included.
Look, I mean, but the shoe $100 though.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
That shoe may be $100, but I gotta use my paint materials, all that kind of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Then I gotta pay myself as an artist hourly. You feel me? So it gotta equate to a profit. You feel me? So I can't just charge, you know, a little bit over retail. You see what I'm saying?
I got 120. I got 120 for these junk though. What you think about that? What's your name, bro?
Cadet, bro. Yeah.
I thought that old Picasso or something. You hear me? Van Gogh. You hear me? Michael Bosky out there. Who you is, ain't? These my boy. Oh yeah. This me right here. This me. That nigga 0.5. That me right there, boy. I know you in school. Ooh. Yes. Oh. This me right here. How much you want for these?
Them $275, bro.
$275. Man, $275, man. Come on, man. Oh, $275.
I gotta use my paint materials, all that kind of stuff.
Bro.
You know what I'm saying? Then I gotta pay myself as an artist hourly.
I don't put these back these for Chris Brown or something. I don't know. You know what I mean? I don't know who them for. Somebody famous. Nick Cannon or something like that. Nah, bro, you trip. I mean, okay. Let me see about this. Oh yeah. Yeah, give me right here. Give me. What up? How much of these is?
Those are running about $200, but sometimes I have them on sale. Like special occasions, I have them on sale for like $180. I might even duck as low as $170.
Bro, it don't even look like you did. I mean, they hard, bro, but it don't look like you did that much of these like the last one.
I mean, it may not look like I did a lot to them, but it's certain things I gotta go through to make the shoe look like that, you know what I'm saying? To make it durable, all that kind of stuff, like, you know, my finishers, adhesion promoters and stuff that you don't know about, you know what I'm talking about? Things that you don't know. Stuff that I buy that you don't know about. Things that I use that you don't know about, you know what I'm saying?
You know, like, these, bro. Big shoe, little paper. Bro. Bro, I really just being honest, bro. I probably could do this right here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you can, bro. You can. Go ahead. I actually got a video. I got 2 of them on there. I can walk you straight through it. You know what I'm saying? You can do it if you want to. I don't mind, bro.
Nah, but I'm straight, bro. Nobody care about your little YouTube channel, bro. Man, I really could do this, bro. Just being honest, but I ain't gonna do it. I ain't finna take from another black man, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna do it, bro. I take over your little business and stuff like that. I ain't gonna do that to you, bro. I ain't gonna do it. I ain't even gonna do it, bro. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. What if I just give you my shoe? Can I do that?
Yeah, you can you can give me your shoes, bro. But honestly, I don't really work on like used shoes and stuff. So if you buy a pair, you can give them to me, and I can do whatever design you want to do on them. You know what I'm saying? But at this point, I reached the stage in my career where I really don't work on used shoes like that. cause it's just more work.
Alright, bet. Alright, what, how much it gonna be? How much it be if I throw you these right here? You paint these guys up for me. You know what I'm saying? Just paint these up, you know what I'm saying? I ain't been worn that many times. Just paint these up for me.
Oh, like I said, I really don't paint used shoes like that. Clients don't really send me used shoes like that, bro. So and in the event that I actually did want to paint those shoes and stuff like that, it'll probably be more because I would have to do more work to those shoes because of the condition that they're in, bro. So you probably would come out cheaper if you actually got a new pair. You know what I'm saying? If I painted those, it'll probably be somewhere $200-300.
Bro, come on, man. I got the shoe though.
Like I said, bro, it's even more work because of the condition of the shoe, man.
You talking about $200-300, man? God, hey, boy. Man, who you in? I thought, hey, you must painted the Mona Lisa or something, bro. You would do? That's you? Hey, man, boy. I don't know who gonna be buying this though. He did it or something. Russell Simmons. These mine, but alright, bro. I ain't trying to make no money, bro. I got you, bro. Come on. 150.
Man, I spent
right
6 hours on that shoe. I'm not finna sell it for no 150, dude.
Man, you ain't trying to make no money, bro. You really not trying to make no money, bro. Alright, man. Alright, bro. Alright. 50 right now. I got 50 on me right now.
The dough, man.
Alright, bro. Alright. I ain't trying to make it. I'm gonna let you know, bro. I'm gonna let you know.
The dough.